Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you all my viewers are fine and doing well. Guys, in this collection you see the decoration of the Merry Christmas 2023. The ideas look so amazing, the ideas look so fantastic. If you are interested in this type of videos and in this type of collection, then your first priority to subscribe to my channel, like to my YouTube channel and to share my YouTube channel. All colors and all shades of the Merry Christmas are new and trending and top level. So guys, thank you, keep watching, and all colors and all shades of the Merry Christmas are beautiful. Thank you so much guys to watch the video and to like my video, to share my video. All beautiful decoration of the Merry Christmas are available for you. So guys, if you like, share and comment. The decoration of the Merry Christmas is fabulous and fantastic and amazing. The Merry Christmas decoration is compulsory. No one denied, because without decoration and without the beautiful decoration, your house is incomplete and your guests feel like unhappy. If you are interested to decor your home very stylish on the day of the Merry Christmas, then your first priority to subscribe to my YouTube channel that provides you the ideas of the decoration items, the bits designs, the garland ideas, and the candles. So watch, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Like,